Good morning. Well, it's been a while since I did my first video diary entry, so I thought I would do one today as my second one because I've got a little bit of a busy day planned. First off, we got to go over to Patong, that's me and Nat, because she's picking up the PCX that's been out on hire for the last 6 weeks. That's coming back for 3 or 4 days, and then it's back out again for another month. I'm going to be going from Patong over to Kamala. I'm going to do some filming for the series that I'm currently doing in Kamala. Shadow there in the house, I don't know if you can see that. We've just got back from taking a daily walk. The weather outside is looking like it's going to be a very nice day. Today is a Saturday, the 15th of February. Shortly I shall be leaving with Nat on the bike.
Let me go up. Yeah. Come here. Come here. No, let me go up. Sit down. Let mommy. Good girl. You be good girl? A good girl.
So let's go to Patong. First stop, pick up the PCX. Just arrived at the accommodation the couples are staying at that's rented the PCX. Nat's going to check the bike over, then go and get the key and make sure they've refilled up the petrol. From here, I'm going to take the PCX home via Kamala. I've got a few jobs this afternoon that I've got to do. I've got to fix Nat's sister's Honda Wave, change a panel on that and a few parts, and then later this afternoon we're going to take a look at a market that's taking place at Central. Managed to get the filming done over in Kamala without any problems, and I'm glad I got back at 12 o'clock because it's coming up now to 3:30 in the afternoon and that sun is definitely warm, but you just don't want to be walking around in the sun in the afternoon. I'm just having a cup of tea waiting for Nat's sister too to come over. Two wants a few odd jobs doing on it now because it's getting old, so she's ordered some new bits and I've got to change those over. And then once I've done that job, we are all going to head down to Central Phuket where they've got a market taking place. I believe it's the Finn market, but I'm not 100% sure, but we're going to take a look at that later. I'm now going to enjoy a cup of tea, yes, English cup of tea. And I have found a way around buying the tea bags in the supermarkets because imported tea bags from the UK are extremely expensive, as I will be showing you, and showing you a little trick if you enjoy, like me, a nice cup of tea. cooking the dog's dinner. Alright, quiet down. You're late, aren't you? I thought you was going to be earlier.
Come with me.
Huh? Huh?
Motorbike outside.
Oh, is it gone out? Okay. Okay, that's the bike all done. Now we're going to the market.